Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting master bedroom decorating ideas to help you create the perfect retreat in your home. Your master bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind, relax, and recharge after a long day. From choosing the right color palette to adding personal touches, we'll cover everything you need to know to transform your bedroom into a stylish and serene haven. Let's get started. Adding plants can bring a touch of nature indoors and improve the air quality in your bedroom. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies that thrive in indoor conditions and require minimal care. Place them on windowsills, shelves, or bedside tables to add a bit of greenery and freshness to your space. Larger plants like fiddle leaf figs or rubber plants can make a bold statement and fill empty corners, adding height and visual interest to the room. Consider the lighting conditions of your bedroom when selecting plants to ensure they thrive. Hanging planters or wall-mounted plant holders can also be a great way to incorporate greenery without taking up floor space. Clutter can disrupt the tranquility of your bedroom, so smart storage solutions are key. Consider built-in closets with customized storage options like shelves, drawers, and hanging space to keep everything organized. Underbed storage boxes or bins can be a great way to utilize otherwise wasted space for items like off-season clothing or extra bedding. Decorative baskets or trunks can add both style and function, providing additional storage for blankets, pillows, or other items. Floating shelves can offer additional storage without taking up floor space and are perfect for displaying decorative items or keeping essentials within easy reach. Additionally, consider using furniture with built-in storage, such as bed frames with drawers or nightstands with extra shelving. First up, consider your color palette. The colors you choose for your bedroom can greatly influence the overall feel of the space. Soft, neutral tones like whites, beiges, and grays create a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. These shades also provide a versatile backdrop for various decor styles. If you prefer a bit of color, try soothing shades like muted blues, greens, or lavenders, which can make your space feel tranquil and inviting. Accent walls in deeper hues, such as navy blue or forest green, can add depth and interest without overwhelming the room. For a touch of sophistication, consider metallic accents like gold, silver, or bronze. Adding subtle colors. If you prefer a bit of color, try soothing shades like muted blues, greens, or lavenders. Muted blues can evoke a sense of calm and serenity, reminiscent of the sky and sea. Soft greens can bring a touch of nature indoors, promoting a restful and rejuvenating environment. Lavenders are known for their calming properties and can add a gentle, romantic touch to your space. Accent walls. Accent walls in deeper hues, such as navy blue, forest green, or charcoal gray, can add depth and interest without overwhelming the room. These rich colors can create a focal point and add a sense of drama and luxury. For instance, a navy blue accent wall can create a stunning backdrop for a white or cream-colored bed, adding contrast and elegance. Next, think about your furniture. A statement bed is a must-have in any master bedroom. Whether you prefer a modern platform bed, a classic four-poster, or a cozy upholstered headboard, choose a bed that reflects your style and serves as the room's focal point. Balance the room with functional pieces like nightstands that provide storage and surface space for lamps, books, and personal items. A dresser offers additional storage for clothing and accessories. Consider a comfortable chair or bench at the foot of the bed for added seating and style. Multifunctional furniture pieces that combine style with practicality, such as a storage bench or an ottoman with hidden compartments, can maximize space and keep the room clutter-free. Statement beds. Modern platform bed, sleek and minimalist, perfect for a contemporary look. Often low to the ground and can come with built-in storage. Classic four-poster bed, elegant and timeless, this bed can add a touch of grandeur to your bedroom. Upholstered headboard adds softness and comfort, ideal for leaning against while reading or watching TV. Can be found in various fabrics like velvet, linen, or leather. Balancing the room. Nightstands, essential for bedside storage and display. Choose nightstands with drawers or shelves to keep essentials within easy reach. Matching nightstands can create a cohesive look, while mismatched ones can add character. Dresser provides ample storage for clothing and accessories. Opt for a dresser with a combination of drawers in different sizes to accommodate various items. A dresser with a mirror can also double as a vanity. Comfortable chair or bench. A chair in the corner can create a cozy reading nook, while a bench at the foot of the bed adds seating and can be used to lay out clothes or store extra blankets. Multifunctional furniture. Consider pieces that offer extra functionality, like a storage bench or ottoman with hidden compartments. These can help keep the room organized and free of clutter. Luxurious bedding is essential for a master bedroom. Start with high-quality sheets. Egyptian cotton or bamboo sheets offer softness and durability. Layer your bed with a plush duvet or comforter, and add plenty of pillows for both comfort and aesthetics. Introduce texture and warmth with throws and blankets in various materials such as linen, cotton, and wool. Mix and match patterns and textures to create a visually appealing and cozy bed. For example, pair a solid duvet cover with patterned pillows and a chunky knit throw. Pay attention to seasonal changes. Switch to lighter fabrics like linen in summer and heavier, more insulating ones like wool in winter. Throws and blankets. Texture and warmth. Introduce texture and warmth with throws and blankets in various materials such as linen, cotton, and wool. A chunky knit throw or a faux fur blanket can add a touch of luxury and coziness. Layering. Layer different textures and weights to create a visually appealing and cozy bed. For example, pair a solid duvet cover with patterned pillows and a chunky knit throw. Seasonal changes. Switch to lighter fabrics like linen in summer and heavier, more insulating ones like wool in winter. This not only ensures comfort, but also refreshes the look of your bed with the changing seasons. Additional textiles. Rugs. A soft area rug can add warmth and comfort underfoot. Choose a rug that complements your color scheme and is large enough to extend beyond the bed on all sides. Curtains and drapes. Window treatments can enhance the room's aesthetics and provide privacy and light control. Blackout curtains are great for ensuring a restful sleep, while sheer curtains can add a light, airy feel. Throw pillows. Use throw pillows to add pops of color and pattern. Consider mixing different fabrics and textures for a layered look. Swap out pillow covers seasonally to keep the decor fresh and updated. Lighting can make a huge difference in your bedroom. Opt for a mix of lighting sources to create a balanced and versatile lighting scheme. Bedside lamps provide focus light for reading, while overhead fixtures offer general illumination. Consider adding ambient lighting such as string lights, a stylish chandelier, or wall sconces to enhance the room's ambience. Dimmer switches are a great addition, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit different moods and activities, from reading to winding down before sleep. Accent lighting, like LED strips behind the headboard or under furniture, can add a modern and cozy touch. Scene 6. Personal touches. Personalize your space with artwork, photographs, and decor that you love. Create a gallery wall with a mix of framed pictures, paintings, and prints that reflect your personality and interests. Display a collection of your favorite books on a stylish bookshelf, or incorporate unique sculptures and decorative objects. These personal touches will make your bedroom feel truly yours and add a layer of depth and character to the space. Consider incorporating items with sentimental value, such as family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or DIY projects. Even small details like decorative pillows, unique lamps, or custom-made furniture can make a big difference. Finally, think about the finishing touches that can elevate your bedroom's ambience. Scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or a small sound machine can enhance the relaxing atmosphere. Choose scents like lavender or chamomile to promote relaxation and better sleep. Soft rugs can add warmth and comfort underfoot, while curtains or blackout blinds can help control light and ensure a restful sleep. Small decorative items like vases, trinket trays, and clocks can add personality and complete the look. Scene 10. Outro. We hope these decorating ideas inspire you to create the master bedroom of your dreams. Remember, your bedroom should be a reflection of your style and a place where you feel completely at ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!